Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Desk for You. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you will get all uploaded sessions from Study Desk for You. And welcome you all to this interesting session on Excel worksheet introduction. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So first click on Start button and search for Excel. Here I already got Microsoft Office Excel. If you won't find this, go to all programs and search for Excel. So search for Excel. So now click on this Microsoft Office Excel. So this is my workbook. Here in the topmost corner we will find out a button called as Office button. If you click on this one, it displays a menu having different options. By using these options we can create new workbook, we can open an existing file and we can save the file and print the file, and we can do as many as options and we can perform many tasks. And here by using close button we can close this one. By using this option we can do some advanced settings. And here exit Excel. After this Office button, the very next tool is Quick Access Toolbar. This one. Here we have save, redo, undo options are there. And click on this drop down list. We have different options to enhance the functionality. And the next one is title bar. Displays the name of the workbook currently open. Now this entire blue thing is called as ribbon. At the top of the ribbon having several options, these are called as tabs. Each tab is having individual several command groups, and in that groups also we have individual commands to enhance the functionality of worksheet data. And if you want to minimize and maximize the ribbon, press Ctrl plus F1 for minimizing and again Ctrl plus F1 for maximizing, and simply double click on each tab so that maximizing and minimizing is available for each and every single tab. Just double tap. And coming to this one, this is called as status bar, and here we have two modes, ready mode and enter mode. Ready mode indicates that the worksheet is ready to enter, ready to accept user input. And coming to enter mode indicates when user enter data into the cell. So now my cell, I selected a cell, it's ready to enter data. Now I'm entering data in this, it changes to enter mode. So it's ready to accept. So these are two modes in status bar. In the status bar, in the right side we have three buttons. Those are view buttons: normal, page layout and page break preview. Coming to normal, displays the page in normal view. Page layout displays the pages as exactly as they will appear while printed, and also gives full screen look for the document. And coming to page break preview, shows preview of the pages will break when printed. So these three are view buttons. Coming to next one, zoom controls, gives you closer look at your text. By using Windows plus symbol, we are going to use maximization and minimization for Windows plus minus symbol for activating magnifier. So this is zoom control. And the next one, between this area is called a sheet area where you enter data. This is sheet area. In this sheet we have rows and columns. Rows are represented as numbers and columns are represented as alphabetic. And these rows, how many rows we can enter in particular sheet? In a sheet we can enter up to 1,48,576 rows, and in particular one sheet we can enter 16,384 columns. So we can enter unlimited data within one sheet. Like this, we have defaultly 3 sheets are there. If you want, you can insert by using this option, otherwise simply press Shift plus F11. This is the shortcut key for increasing the sheets. And also you can see what are the sheets are displayed in your sheet. You want to display the list of the sheet numbers, then simply right click on this arrow button. It displays all the sheet names. If you want to rename the sheets, simply double click on this, just rename it. Now click on this button, right click on this, you will see all the names of the sheets list. Now coming to this, in Excel we need to know some terms like cell, row, column, then range, then worksheet, then finally workbook. And also one more, that is address or reference. These are the terms we frequently hear in Excel. So what is this? So first one, cell. A cell is nothing but a combination of a row and column is called as cell. In this cell we are going to enter data. So while entering data, this cell, that address is referred as its column name and its row number, that is D5. It is displayed in the name box. This is called as name box. In this it displays the cell reference. And coming to range, a group of cells is called as range. And next, worksheet. Worksheet is nothing but a collection of rows and columns is called as sheet, worksheet. Now workbook, collection of these several worksheets is nothing but workbook. So that's why we are calling Microsoft Excel workbook, having multiple sheets. All these terms are in Excel. And in the top, this is name box and this is formula bar. In this formula bar, whatever data you entered in the cell, that is displayed in the formula bar. That reference is displayed in the name box. This is the introduction of worksheet, how it looks. In the next session, I will up with different options like how to save, how to open, how to copy, paste, and how to cut, saving the document and formatting the text, all these options. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below, and you can find me at www.fratelloinotech.com. And if you like the video, please like, share and comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.